Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Beach Walk. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Dawn Shepherd. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos, they'll submit them, I turn some of them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you I'll send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in learning how you could submit your photos to me, or watching the full-length version of this video, or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there is a lot of other benefits that you get to use to increase your artistic and painter skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very cool people beach scene. I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.